2016 Acura RDX. If there is one thing Acura knows well, it's SUVs. It has long been an industry leader in luxury SUVs, and the RDX is no exception. It had massive success in 2014, as it led its class at 44,865 units sold. Despite this, Acura decided not to rest on its laurels, but has decided to give the RDX a refresh on the inside, outside, and under the skin. This new RDX debuted at the 2015 Chicago Auto Show on February 12. With all of the details in hand, it is clear that Acura's plan is to make every one of its vehicles as similar to the wildly successful TLX sedan as it can. Like the sedan, the 2016 RDX received the Joy headlights and a 3D grille. Also added were some tech updates and a slight power boost under the hood. Updated the 15th of April 2015, Acura announced prices for the 2016 RDX, which is now on sale. The model will be priced from $35,270, an increase of just $175 over the 2015 model year. The exterior refresh for the 2016 RDX is pretty much what I expected it to be, just enough to bring it up to date with the rest of the lineup. This update includes the addition of Acura's Joy LED headlights, which I think are absolutely awesome, and a revised front fascia, including a new 3D grille. Yes, it's still the horrendous Acura beak, but the 3D effect makes it a little better, revised and sportier intakes on the outer edges of the bumper, and an angular rear vent in the center that also includes a small splitter. Around back, the same basic theme from the front carries over. The tail lights get a slight refresh with the installation of Acura's light pipe design, but the best part of the rear-end update is the lower fascia, which gains a new, more angular bumper and insert. This gives the RDX a sportier look from behind while retaining its refined appearance. Also a part of this refresh are new wheel designs to better match the revised front and rear fascias. The interior of the new RDX also received a small number of changes, including a reworking of the two-tone color scheme, as the black section now comes farther down the dash, and high-contrast silver brightens things up a bit. The center stack also received a color change, and it appears to be suspended above the center console as opposed to being connected to the console as it was last year. In terms of new features, the 2016 RDX now comes standard with heated front seats and the new for 2016, second-row air conditioning vents. New tech features include an 8-way adjustable power driver's seat, a dual-screen, on-demand multi-information display, HD radio, blind spot information, and rear cross-traffic alert as part of the revised technology package. New for 2016 is the Advanced package, which adds rain-sensing wipers, front fog lights, bidirectional keyless remote engine start, front and rear parking sensors, ventilated front seats, an auto-dimming driver's side mirror, and Acura Watch. In addition to those features, both the Advanced and Technology packages get Acura's navigation system with voice recognition. Though the changes are light on the inside, Acura definitely built more value into its higher-end trim levels with the addition of all the new features and gadgets. In its engine compartment, the 2016 Acura RDX will carry the same 3.5-litre SO5 engine it has had since its 2013 redesign. In the new model year, however, this engine received a bump to 279 horsepower and 252 pound-feet of torque, a 6 horsepower and 1 pound-foot boost. Acura also claims a broader torque curve for better acceleration. On top of the added power, Acura also squeezed an extra 1 mile per gallon highway from the 2016 RDX, pushing the all-wheel drive model to 19 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway, and the front-wheel drive model to 20 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway. Speaking of the all-wheel drive system, Acura revised it this year, giving it added rear-wheel bias to enhance its driving dynamics and give it better performance in inclement weather. In the handling department, Acura installed active front and rear engine mounts for better weight transfer, enhanced the steering system, and stiffened up the suspension mounts.